Hello, in this video I'll tell you whether the Galaxy S26 Ultra's new privacy display feature works with a screen protector. And the answer is yes. I have a screen protector currently installed. It is just a normal glass screen protector. And as you can see, when I enable the privacy display, it does work perfectly fine, just like it would without the protector. So feel free to use a screen protector. Of course, it's best to use a normal screen protector, not a privacy screen protector. Why? Because if you have the privacy display mode that you can enable and disable, then why install a privacy screen protector? You can use the built-in mode, which is a really good feature because you can enable and disable it whenever you want without needing to install additional screen protector. So just install a normal one or a matte display if you'd like one, and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.